In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Maimuna and today we will study parts of speech. You know that we have already studied 5 parts of speech. Now we will be having 3 parts of speech that are remaining. The objectives of this lesson are: name and explain 8 parts of speech. We can review the previous one. State the definition of the parts of speech. Recognize and distinguish noun, verb, adjective, adverb from each other, and use prepositions, conjunction, and interjection correctly in sentences. We have already studied noun, verb, adjective, adverb, and pronoun. Noun is the name of person, place, or thing. Verb is an action. Adjective is used at the to modify noun. Adverb is usually modifying verb, and pronoun is used at the place of noun. Now we will study preposition, conjunction, and interjection. This chart also. Here you can write the examples also. Here there are only definitions, but you can write examples also while you do homework. Now see, preposition. Preposition is used before a noun, pronoun, or gerund to show place, time, direction in a sentence. You do not need to go towards gerund. Just keep in mind noun and pronoun. Look at the examples: at, in, on, about, to, far, from, out, after, etc. Here on the right hand side there are other examples of preposition also. We join to noun or pronoun. She was hiding under the table. Under is a preposition. There is some milk in the fridge. In is also a preposition. I am sitting with my brother. With is a preposition. I am living away from my parents. From is a preposition. Away is also a preposition. Show relationship between noun or other words. Examples: I have a bowl of cereal inside this dish for you. Of, inside, and for are prepositions. Next, to and after are prepositions. A preposition is a word that shows position or direction. Some examples are in, out, under, over, after, out, into, up, down, for, and between. She worked at her desk. At is a preposition. The sun was in the sky. In is a preposition. Here is another part of speech, that is conjunction. Conjunction join words or group of words in a sentence. And, because, therefore, moreover, these are conjunctions. They usually join words or group of words, or usually joins two clauses in a sentence. I am very hungry is a clause. The fridge is empty is also a clause. Both are joined by conjunction, that is but. I was watching TV when she came in. When is a conjunction because there are 2 parts of this sentence. I was watching TV and she came in. Both are joined by when. Here are some of the examples of conjunction. Read it. Ten examples of conjunction in a sentence. Just as, though, we can meet you wherever you want. Wherever is a conjunction. While, however, because, even if, so that, even though, whereas. These are examples of conjunctions because there are 2 parts of these sentences, both parts are joined by a conjunction. Conjunction doesn't mean that it will always be placed in the middle of two sentences, but it can come in the beginning. As you can see the first, second sentence, number fourth and 9. In number 9 you will see, even though it rained a lot. This is the first part of the sentence. We enjoyed the holiday is another part of the sentence. In both these sentences you will see that even though is a conjunction, because you can write this sentence like this: we enjoyed the holiday even though it rained a lot. Even though can come in the big middle of these two clauses. Here is the last part of speech, that is interjection. Interjections express strong emotion and is often followed by an exclamation point. When you express your happiness, sadness, surprise, these are considered in interjection. Bravo, well, aha, hooray, yeah, oops, you. These are examples of interjection. Wow, what a beautiful car. See, you will put the exclamation mark after a exclamatory word. Oh, no, oh is an interjection. Here are some of the other examples of interjection. Oh no, wow, ouch, stop, hooray, aha, ouch, it hurts a lot, laugh out loud, thank gosh. Oh, here are other examples of interjection. I hope so you have understood